Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to turn off message request on Instagram. And all you have to do is to launch the Instagram application. From here, you are going to make sure that you are on your profile. Then you're going to tap on the three lines. Then you are going to tap on the messages. So we're going to navigate to where it is. As you can see here, there's messages and story replies. So you're going to tap on it. Then you're going to tap on message controls. From there, you are going to put this one on going to receive the quest. So once I tap on this, going to tap on update settings and it will be them. As you can see, both of them, others even on Instagram cannot be able to send all out. I won't be able to receive their messages. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.